This is going to be a short video on how to replace your fuel filter, fuel lines on a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Freightliner and Mercedes Sprinter. Now for this job, you're going to need some injection hose, not just regular hose. Let me see here. There we go. Okay, fuel injection hose. I got this at AutoZone. It's 3/8 of an inch, aka 9.5 millimeter. There we go. There's a better view. All right. So these are those two hoses, and here's the hard pipe. See, and they zip tie right there if you break that little plastic thing. Alright, simple as that. So you can see about, give you a better idea how long they are. See, it's 2 feet. Simple as that.